with the opportunities that I've had, the lessons that we have learned, and the growth that we have experienced. I remember when I first walked to the doors of St. Xavier's with a mind full of doubts, a heart filled with fears and tears in my eyes. I could not believe that all of that expression suddenly changed when I experienced the symphony of love, learning, and unwavering support here. And gradually, St. Xavier's has become more like a home, a place to learn with love and care, a nurturing ground for growth, and a beacon of hope for a bright future. And my dear juniors, you are the lucky